Imagine this. Two people, same age, same income, same lifestyle. One of them takes $1,000 and invests it. The other does nothing. Fast forward 10 years, one of them quietly builds wealth in the background, while the other is still stuck in the same financial position, wondering why money never seems to grow. Here's the crazy part. The difference between them didn't come from working harder, earning more, or being smarter. It came from just one simple decision. So what actually happens when you invest $1,000 versus doing absolutely nothing? Let's break it down. Most people think like this. $1,000 isn't enough to invest. It's too small to make a difference. I'll start investing when I have more money. And honestly, it sounds logical, because when you look at $1,000 today, it doesn't feel like it can change your life. So instead, people either spend it or let it sit in their bank account doing nothing. But here's the hidden problem. Doing nothing with money feels safe, but it's actually costing you more than you realize. Not immediately, but slowly, quietly, over time. And this is where most people make a mistake they don't even notice. Let's take a simple example. Person A invests $1,000 in something like an index fund that grows at an average of 10% per year. Person B keeps that same $1,000 in a savings account, or just spends it. Now, nothing dramatic happens in the first year. Person A makes about $100. That's it. Not exciting. This is exactly why people quit early, because the growth feels slow. But here's what most people don't understand. Money doesn't grow in a straight line. It grows like a snowball. In year 2, person A doesn't earn 10% on $1,000 anymore. They earn it on $1,100. Then $1,210. Then $1,331. And slowly, something interesting starts happening. The growth begins to speed up. By year 10, that $1,000 becomes around $2,500. Now pause for a second. No extra work, no side hustle, no stress. Just one decision and time. Meanwhile, person B, still at zero growth. Or worse, the money is gone. Now let's stretch this timeline. At 20 years, that $1,000 becomes around $6,700. At 30 years, it crosses $17,000. And suddenly that small amount doesn't feel so small anymore. But here's the real twist. This isn't just about the $1,000. It's about what that decision represents. The real difference between these two people isn't money. It's behavior. Most people underestimate small actions because the results aren't immediate. We are wired to value instant rewards. Spending $1,000 today feels good. Investing it feels boring, slow, almost. Wealth is not built on big, exciting decisions. It's built on small, consistent ones that feel insignificant in the moment. And this is where psychology plays a huge role. When you invest money, you're not just growing wealth, you're training your brain to think long term. You're telling yourself, I don't need everything today. I can wait. I understand how money grows, and this mindset compounds just like money does. On the other hand, when you do nothing, you stay in a cycle of short-term thinking. You keep trading your future for present comfort. And over time, that gap between thinking short-term and long-term becomes massive. Here's something most people never realize. Doing nothing is not neutral. It's actually a decision. Because while your money sits idle, inflation is silently reducing its value. Let's say inflation is 6% per year. That means your $1,000 is losing purchasing power every single year. So even if your money stays the same number, its real value is shrinking. After 10 years, that $1,000 might only feel like $500 in today's terms. So now think about it. Person A is growing money. Person B is losing value without even realizing it. This is the hidden cost of inaction. Not losing money directly, but losing opportunity. So what should you actually do with this information? First, stop thinking that small money doesn't matter. It matters more than you think because it starts the process. Second, focus on starting, not on perfection. You don't need to know everything about investing. You just need to begin. Even a simple investment like an index fund is enough to get started. Third, understand this clearly. Time is more powerful than money. $1,000 invested early is more valuable than $10,000 invested late because time allows compounding to do its work. And finally, make investing a habit, not a one-time action, because the real magic doesn't happen with one $1,000 investment. It happens when you keep repeating that decision again and again. So, what really happens when you invest $1,000 versus doing nothing? It's not just about returns, it's about direction. One path slowly builds momentum, even when it feels invisible. The other keeps you exactly where you are, or even pushes you backward without you noticing. And years later, that one small decision becomes a completely different life. So the real question is not, is $1,000 enough to invest? The real question is, how long are you willing to wait before you start? Because in the world of money, the biggest risk is not losing. It's never starting at all.